Are you tired of chunky, uneven blends that leave you disappointed? Look no further than our revolutionary Wave Action Blender. Equipped with our patented technology, this blender is designed to deliver consistently smooth results without the need for stirring. With its powerful motor, ice saber blades, and versatile functions, this blender is your ultimate companion for creating delicious smoothies, shakes, and icy drinks. Say goodbye to lumps and hello to perfectly blended goodness. Crush ice with ease. Experience the ultimate ice crushing power with our Wave Action Blender. Our patented ice saber blades combined with a powerful 700-watt peak power motor effortlessly crush ice, ensuring your drinks are smooth and icy. Say goodbye to ice chunks and hello to refreshing beverages that are perfect for any occasion. Smooth results every time. Unlike ordinary blenders that leave chunks untouched by the blades, our patented Wave Action system is specifically designed to continually force the mixture down into the blades. This innovative technology ensures consistently smooth results without the need for stirring or manual intervention. Prepare velvety smooth smoothies, sauces, and soups effortlessly, impressing your family and friends with your culinary creations. Heat-resistant glass jar. The 40-ounce glass jar of our Wave Action Blender is not only stylish but also practical. It is thermal shock tested to withstand extreme temperature changes, making it the perfect companion for parties or when you want to prepare a pitcher of shakes or smoothies for the whole family. Enjoy your favorite blended treats without worrying about the durability of the jar. Versatile blending functions. Our Wave Action Blender offers an impressive range of 14 blending functions, allowing you to tackle a variety of blending needs. From mixing and pureeing to ice crushing and more, this blender has the power and versatility to handle any task with ease. It's your go-to appliance for creating delicious recipes and experimenting with new flavors. Easy to clean and drip-free serving. We understand the importance of hassle-free cleanup, which is why we've made our blender incredibly easy to clean. The lid, blades, and glass jar are all dishwasher safe, saving you valuable time and effort. Additionally, our blender features an easy pour spout designed to eliminate drips, ensuring a mess-free pouring experience. Built to last. Invest in a blender that can keep up with your blending needs. Our Wave Action Blender is built to last, with a durable motor that is life-tested to blend a staggering 8-0 frozen drinks. You can rely on its performance and durability, knowing that it will be a trusted companion in your kitchen for years to come. Conclusion. With our Wave Action Blender, you can achieve perfectly blended results every time. Say goodbye to uneven blends and hello to smooth and creamy concoctions. The combination of our patented Wave Action system, ice saber blades, versatile functions, and easy-to-clean design makes this blender a must-have for every kitchen. Whether you're preparing refreshing smoothies, crushing ice for cocktails, or creating gourmet sauces, our blender will exceed your expectations. Invest in the power of perfect blending with our Wave Action Blender and elevate your culinary creations to new heights.